안녕하세요. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be covering about the basic understanding of final consonant, batchim. In our previous videos, we have learned about the Korean syllable, which consists of three parts, 초성, 중성, and 종성. With the knowledge of the consonants and vowels of Korean alphabet, you will be able to read and write Hangul. Today, we are going to learn about final consonants. There are in total 27 final consonants. We have learned 19 initial consonants in the previous lesson. These 19 initial consonants may also become the final consonants, with the exception of 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, and 쌍지읒. Therefore, 16 final consonants and another 11 different singular final consonants. However, when they become the final consonant, they are pronounced in only 7 sounds. These final consonants are being grouped respectively and are pronounced by its representative sound. Please take a look at how the pronunciation of the 7 consonants are pronounced. However, the pronunciation of consonant is different when it is an initial consonant and when it is a final consonant. Please listen closely to the different sound. 그, 읍, 느, 은, 드, 읒, 르, 을, 무, 브, 읍, 응. Notice that initial consonant and final consonant are of different sound. When you pronounce the final consonant, it should be short and brief. In many cases, students often make a similar mistake. For example, 각 and not 각, 가그. It should be pronounced together as a whole. The initial consonant, vowel, and final consonant in one syllable. 각. Still confused with the pronunciation between the final consonant and initial consonant? You can get a hint of the pronunciation from the each consonant's name in Korean. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 이응. The last letter of the consonant's name. 윽, 은, 읒, 을, 읍, 응. These are the exact final consonant sound. In our subsequent videos, we are going to learn each final consonants and its pronunciation in further detail. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And please do like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. 감사합니다.